Monty Python produced a beautiful movie called The Life of Brian. And then there's a scene where Brian's mum, played by Terry Jones, leans out the window and looks at the congregation, and she says, "He's not the Messiah, he's just a very naughty boy." She then calls Brian to the window, and he too leans out the window and says, "We're all individuals. We all need to make our own choices in life." How true that is. But let's not forget too that at this time of Easter, there's also the opportunity for solidarity, for community, for people who have similar beliefs to get together and actually celebrate that. Some 3 billion people around the world will mark the Easter story as the greatest act of love ever shown to mankind. Whatever your position on faith, let's hold to that Easter story. Let's hold to that passion, that yes, there will be the death, there will be the Good Friday and the tragedy, but Sundays are coming. There will also be the promise that, like Jesus, we will all rise to glory. As Ronald Knox suggested, the Easter story is that moment when we realize that that wall of life becomes a window to eternity. We as the Fram community wish you a very, very happy Easter. Wherever you are, sitting around that lovely family of having joy, stuffing your face with Easter eggs, or at that revision desk, we wish you energy too. And might I suggest we pray for energy, for motivation, not for miracles, because that is not necessarily going to happen. And for those of you who get to church to partake in this great story, we wish you and everyone in our community a happy, happy, happy Easter. Amen.
And cut. Very good.
Brilliant. How was that?
Good. It was very good. How do you feel?
I enjoyed it. Thank you. Yes. Perhaps next year we can bring in Easter eggs.
Yeah.
Look, I know the reason I'm not meant to be eating the Easter egg now is because so many people have given it up for Lent, and my job is not to make people hunger for an Easter egg. But thanks for that video. Job over. Let's tuck in, man. Thanks so much.
Make sure you got one for me.
Yeah, mate. I've got one for you. Don't worry. Cheers.